Hi, I just wanted to make a video for this short thing. Somebody was asking me whenever they open their YouTube, they have to click on the theater mode to see the theater mode on YouTube. And somebody was asking me that is it possible that every time I open a video, it opens up in a theater mode? So there is a tweak which you can do that whenever you, for example, whenever you open your video like this, for example, uh, which video I should open, uh, for example, if I click on this video, it will directly open in a theater. It will open in a theater mode. So the tweak is, open your YouTube, press F12 on your keyboard, and you will see something like this. This is the console. This icon is of console. Okay, and what you have to do is, uh, if you try to paste something, it will give you an error. So first, what you have to do is write allow pasting. How? Okay, and press enter. Then you will be able to paste in console. I'll write the code in the description for you so that you can easily paste. The code is this. Just copy it, paste it here, and press enter. And now every time you open a YouTube, it will open in a theater mode. For example, if I click on something like this, Elena to me, it will open in a theater mode. Yeah, it's a nice song, one of my favorite singers. Uh, Anyways, uh, this is how it is done. Thank you. Have a nice time.